Grab your ear for a moment. If you're a construction leader, I want you to grab your ear. Okay, now how is ear spelt? E-A-R. All you have to do is remember ear, and you will recall 3 messages that you need to communicate to your people on a consistent basis. The E stands for encouragement, and the phrase to remember is, you can do it. The A stands for accountability, and the phrase to remember is, did you do it? And the R stands for recognition. You did it. As a construction leader, you need to communicate consistently encouragement, accountability, recognition. You can do it. Did you do it? You did it. Those are 3 messages as a construction leader you need to consistently communicate to the people who report to you. My name is Anderton. Appreciate you watching this video.